Good morning, hobby farmers. It's your boy, I am Will, and this morning I'm here with my little basket to harvest some eggs. My chicks have started laying and I'm not expecting much. Since it's their first time around laying, I'm not expecting much, but let's see how much eggs I can harvest. So they've been laying for about 3 weeks now. So the laying is not very frequent. I have about 21 hens laying at the moment, and sometimes you can harvest between 8 and 12 eggs. So it's not really frequent, but I think after a few months they really get going. So let's see how many eggs I can harvest this morning with my little, but not so little basket. So that was some tiring work. Well, so I finished just harvesting about 10 eggs, which is okay, between the 21 birds. I'm expecting some more during the day or in the course of the day because there are still some in the layer box. But for this morning, 10 eggs is a decent number, and you can hear them making that funny noise. It means they're ready to lay some more eggs. So hopefully during the day we will have some more eggs coming out. But for this morning, I've got my hole, and there could be some very, very nice omelette happening this morning.